Okay, so this is the first of the videos for the 2016 Core 1 paper, and we're going to do one video for each question. So the first one is a simple integration question. So if we write this out, we've got to integrate 2x to the power of 4 minus. Now we can't integrate it when it looks like this. What we do is, if ever we've got a square root, we're going to put that as x to the power of a half. But the other thing is that we can't have x's on the bottom of a fraction, so we've got to bring that up to the top. So that's going to be 4x to the power of minus 1/2 plus 3, and we're going to integrate that with respect to x. So the main thing that, if you are going to make a mistake, this is where you're going to make a mistake, is you've got to turn this into the power of a half, and then we can't have anything on the bottom of a fraction. So when we bring something from the bottom of the fraction up to the top, we've got to change it from positive power to a negative power. And it's worth 4 marks. We can take our time over this. What we do is we raise the power by 1 and then we divide by that power. So the first thing is going to be 2x to the power of 5 over 5. Next one, 4x to the power of, if you go up from minus a half by 1, that's going to be to the power of a half. Then we divide by a half. Any number, you're going to stick an x on the end of it, so plus 3x. And we're going to stick a plus c on the end. But then we've got to put it in its simplest form. So the first one we can't simplify, so it's going to be 2x to the power of 5 over 5. The next one, if you're worried about how to do this one, I mean it's going to be a minus, but if you're worried about how to do this one, just do 4x to the power of a half divided by a half, and then write it out that way if you're confused about it. Because when you divide by a fraction, you need to do something called kiss and flip. So you turn the divide into a kiss, a multiply, and then you flip the second one upside down, so 2 over 1. So instead of 4x to the power of a half, it's going to be 4 times 2, it's going to be 8x to the power of 1/2 plus 3x plus c. And that's how to get 4 marks on the first question.